G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. Today is a cracking one. We are upgrading the, listen to this name, the gear shift knob lever sleeve. That's what eBay calls it. Anyway, we're gonna have a better name. But anyway guys, what this is a metal part that replaces the black plastic sleeve underneath your gear selector. So essentially with the Pajeros, this is a fairly common part to fail over time. What happens is it just gets brittle and then it breaks. So when you try to shift from park to drive, vice versa, and it's stuck, it's most likely the cause because it breaks and then it's like, oh, I can't move it. So it's very simple to replace. You literally just need a screwdriver, and we're gonna upgrade it to these ones which are made out of metal. So you literally just buy it once as a replacement and it will never break and you'll never get stuck out of nowhere. Alright, sweet. So let me show you how to install it. So just letting you know as well, this will replace the Gen 3 and the Gen 4 Pajero. So from 2000 onwards, or 2021, if you want to be specific. And this one is out of my Gen 3. It's a white piece, whereas on the Gen 4 Pajero, it will be a black piece. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first. What you want to do is just pull it back. It doesn't matter where it is. It's just easier access over here. So you want to twist to the left or to the right. There you go. Sweet. And now there will be a little screw here. There's one here and then another one on the top. So now you just want to grab your screwdriver and undo those. So once you've done that, now you can take this off. Just be very careful because, so there's the black piece, okay? So this is the black piece. And don't break this little piece right here, which is the sleeve. Alright, so this is it. That's the one that we're going to be replacing. So yeah, essentially this just becomes brittle and it just breaks, and then it interferes with the knob when you press it. And that's why you can't shift it. So yeah, let's replace this one to the metal one. Okay, so here we go. So this is the metal one. Now what you want to do, you'll see there's some excess grease over here. So you basically just want to get this one full of grease as well, just to make sure everything goes on nicely and stays smooth. Alright, so just put that over. Boom. And now just put your gear lever back. Oh my goodness. There we go. And then you want to make sure it goes all the way down, just so the holes align with the bolts. And now you can put it back. Perfect. And once all done, now you just take this cover again, just swing it around and pop it in. And there you go. So now you can try out your shifts. It's working perfectly. Now it's the exact same process on the Gen 3 Pajero. So what you do is twist this cover off, and then you'll see on the side there's one screw and the other one is hiding actually at the back here. Once you've undone these two screws, it will just slip off. Then you can replace this white piece with the new metal one, put it on, put the gear knob back, put the two screws back in as well, pop the cover back on, and then just test it to make sure everything shifts smoothly and you're good to go. Perfect. So there you go guys. As you can see, it's a very simple upgrade to do to your Gen 3 or Gen 4 Pajero, and I highly recommend it because you don't want to be out somewhere having a holiday and then this thing breaks and you're like, oh, I'm not sure what's going on with my car. So there you go. It's now available. It's in stock like all of our other products here in the warehouse. So if you do want to grab it, make sure to check the link down below in the description. Otherwise, make sure to join our Facebook groups as well and like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Pajero content. We have some more products that just arrived here as well, so I'm very excited. So for the next few weeks, we're literally just going to be releasing new products for the Pajero. So we are very keen about that and you don't want to miss it. So thanks for watching guys. Have a good one. And if you have any questions, drop it down below. Cheers.